Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we completed the major areas in this chapter, that is contributions of Fayol and contributions of Taylor, that is contributions of scientific management and contributions of modern management. So it is the time for making a comparison between Taylor's contribution and Fayol's contribution. Okay, Taylor versus Fayol. Okay, these are the basis of making difference between Fayol's contribution and Taylor's contribution. How Fayol's contribution is different from Taylor's contribution. So the first basis is meaning. On the basis of meaning, what is the difference between Fayol and Taylor's contribution? So Fayol is considered to be the father of modern management. He developed 14 principles of management for improving overall administration. So Fayol introduced modern management and he is considered to be the father of modern management, and he developed 14 principles for improving the overall administration. In case of Taylor, Taylor is considered to be the father of scientific management and he developed 4 principles of management for increasing the overall productivity. Okay, so Fayol introduced 14 principles in modern management for improving overall administration. Taylor introduced scientific management and he developed 4 principles for increasing overall productivity. That is the first difference between Fayol's contribution and Taylor's contribution on the basis of meaning. Okay. Then the second basis is concept. Concept. On the basis of concept, what will be the difference? Okay. In case of Fayol, the concept is general theory of administration. The concept is general theory of administration. But in case of Taylor, the concept is scientific management. Okay. The concept of Fayol is general theory of administration and the concept of Taylor is scientific management. Okay. Then the third basis is emphasis. Emphasis of Taylor, Fayol is on top level management. Fayol is always aiming at top level management. He developed the principles for top level management for the administration department. Okay, so Fayol is focusing on top level management, but Taylor is focusing on lower level management. So on the basis of emphasis, Fayol is emphasizing on top level management and Taylor is focusing on lower level management. Then the fourth basis is applicability. Applicability, where it is applicable, where the Fayol's principles are applicable and where the Taylor's principles are applicable. The Fayol's principles and his modern management is applicable in case of all organizations universally. So it is universally applicable. Universal application is there in case of Fayol. But in case of Taylor, it is applied to specialized organizations only. Okay. Fayol's contributions are applied to the organization in the world everywhere. So it is universally applicable. But in case of Taylor, it is applicable only in case of specified organizations. Then next basis is basis of formation. On the basis of formation, what will be the difference between Fayol's contributions and Taylor's contribution? Okay, Fayol's principles are developed and his theory is developed through his personal experience. By considering his personal experience, he developed the theory of modern management and the 14 principles. So he developed his principles and his theory on the basis of his own personal experience. But Taylor developed the principles and the theory of scientific management by observations and by conducting various experiments. Okay, Fayol developed the theory on the basis of his own personal experience, but Taylor developed the theory on the basis of various observations and by conducting various experiments. That is the difference on the basis of formation. Then the next basis is wage system. Okay, wage system, the system of wage payment. Okay, Fayol adopted the system of wage payment, that is sharing profit with manager. He adopted the system of wage payment, that is sharing profit with manager. So he is following the principle that sharing profit with management. Then, but in case of Taylor, he is following differential wage system. Differential wage system, that is one of the technique of Taylor's scientific management. Differential piece rate system or differential wage system. So Fayol is focusing, or he is using the wage system of sharing profit with managers, but Taylor is using differential wage system. Then the last basis is approach. Last basis is approach. And on the basis of approach, the difference is Fayol's approach is of a manager's approach. That approach is called a manager's approach. But Taylor's approach is called a engineer's approach. Fayol's approach is manager's approach, but Taylor's approach is engineer's approach. These are the basis of comparison between Fayol's contribution and Taylor's contribution. So in short, first basis is meaning. On the basis of meaning, Fayol is considered to be the father of modern management, and he developed 14 principles for improving overall administration. But Taylor introduced scientific management, and he is considered to be the father of scientific management, and he developed 4 principles for increasing overall productivity. Then second concept of Fayol is general theory of administration, and the concept of Taylor is scientific management. Then the third one, emphasis. Fayol is emphasizing on top level management, Taylor emphasizes on lower level management. Then applicability. Fayol's principles are universally applicable, but Taylor's principles are applied to specialized and specific organizations only. Then basis of formulation. Fayol's principles and theories formed through his personal experience, his own personal experience, but Taylor's principles and theories developed through observations and by conducting experiments. Then wage system. Fayol is following the wage system of sharing profit with managers, but Taylor is following the wage system of differential piece rate system or differential wage system. That means paying wages on the basis of work done, not on the basis of time spent on the work. The last basis is approach. Fayol's approach is called the manager's approach, and Taylor's approach is called the engineer's approach. This is the point of difference, or it's a comparison between Fayol's contribution and Taylor's contribution. This is the last topic in this chapter, so we are closing this chapter now. Okay, I hope you understood, and you need any clarification you can ask. So next class we are starting the next chapter. Thank you.